Guys, the Storm Prediction Center issued tornado watch number 276, and it's playing on both of them. See? It's playing on both of them. See, it's playing on both of them. Lincoln and Omaha, Nebraska. Look, we have a moderate risk. The yellow is the SVA, the red is the tornado watch. What the heck? Why is it lagging?
Flood warning information late tomorrow morning county. Flooding is occurring in minor warning in effect until 4 p.m. this afternoon. Wahoo Creek and Westica. Flooding caused by excessive rainfall along the Papillion Creek system.
Straight over there.
15-point area along flooding Papillion Creek in Douglas. Additional detail in Washington County. 2 a.m. Tuesday was 9 until 4 p.m. Tuesday. Or 0.8 feet above flood. While much of the flood control region will have Papillion Creek remain within its banks. Four low-lying and flood-prone locations will experience flood. 19.9 additional details. At 9:30, will then fall below Papillion Creeks are running very full and are experiencing flooding in some locations. This will continue into the early afternoon hours. Some locations that will experience flooding include Omaha warning in
It's right over there.
Air Force Base. This flooding is forecast. South Omaha and Benton approaches a flood record. www.weather.co v/safety flood from ground. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. At 23 deaths occur in vehicles. Spread flooding occurs. Stay away from creeks and rivers during high flow. Safe from the flood water. River banks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe. On Tuesday, the state was flood warning now in effect until late tomorrow morning. Feet below flood. White. Minor flooding is occurring in minor flooding in 14 feet. Where forecast Wahoo Creek River is expected to rise above.
It's gonna load. It's the yellow.
19.0 tonight. More widespread low flooding below flood states tomorrow. No details. Flood AM 14 feet was 19.8 feet. Flood 0.8 feet above flood stage. To a previous crest at 23.19.0 feet. 1993 forecast. The river is expected to rise to a crest of 19.9 weather this afternoon.
Oh my god, that's a lot of river flood watches. And then one river flood warning. Dude, why did they issue like 1, 2, 3, 5 river flood watches? What the heck?